In this another episode of Layer Breakdown, I am going to share the whole process of this artwork step by step. So let's get into it. Hello Photoshoppers, my name is Ayan Khan. I hope you all are doing good. Before some days I posted a poll on my Instagram story asking from these 4 artworks on which artwork should I create my next layer breakdown video. I received numerous votes on every piece of art, but this artwork got the majority number of votes. Story behind this artwork was simple. A scene in which Cyborg is falling into an infinity tunnel with a massive speed and breaking everything which is coming in her way. And she can't even save herself because her gadgets are malfunctioned and destroyed after a fight with a robot from Galactic Land. So without wasting a moment, let's break down this artwork. Starting with this 3D render, I added a speedy effect using radial blur and added some energy to the background using brightness and contrast. Magentas would be cherry on the cake, so I introduced magentas and little bit of red and yellows using color balance. Science fiction artwork without any bright glows, how it can be possible? I added orange and blue glows to the existing light sources using color dodge blending mode on a mask of solid color. Now time to place our main character. Background is so bright, so I darkened the Cyborg using levels and boosted the contrast and also darkened a little bit one more time using brightness and contrast. Blended her by adding the same colors of background using color balance. By using curves, I painted a lot of highlights on the body of Cyborg to add some dimensions to her main character and also added some shadows at required places by using same curves adjustment layer. After that, I removed her hand and placed a stock image of robotic hand, but I removed its upper part. Drew some wires on solid color adjustment layer and to give it a feel like that robotic hand is broken. Now I placed that remaining part of the hand stock image and decreased the overall highlights using levels and added some warm tones using color balance adjustment layer. This is a scene after the fight, so fire will play an important role here. Placed the fire stock image and painted some glows on the mask of solid color adjustment layer on overlay blending mode. With the help of my debris brush, I added some debris and also added a little bit of black smoke using my smoke brush. Both of these were done on the mask of solid color adjustment layer. Now you can feel she is in panic after seeing his hand destroyed after the fight. And now she can't save herself. Because of this hand, light is blocked, so I painted very dark shadows using exposure adjustment layer. Because of very bright light sources in the background, I painted rim lights on her overall body using hue and saturation adjustment layer and applied the same thing on that metallic hand also. Now time for most interesting part, reflections. First I duplicated that background image and then after transforming and warping it a lot, I painted them on the mask at only the places where the reflections were required. All the reflections were blended so nicely with the help of Blendif and also with the help of Lighten mode. To give the scene a futuristic vibe, I added 2 light sources on the helmet and also 2 little light sources of orange color on the skateboard. I added this light source using the linear dodge blending mode on mask of solid color adjustment layer. To give a more detrimental effect to the Cyborg, first I destroyed the skateboard and added some cracks on it. After that, I placed a stock image of cables and warped them a lot as per my taste, just to show the fast speed at which Cyborg is falling and the cables are becoming resistant in her way. As they are very close to the camera, first I darkened them using brightness and contrast adjustment layer and painted some lights here and there with the help of solid color adjustment layer on normal blending mode. Now I added some stock images of rocks and first I darkened them and also added the colors of the background using color balance adjustment layer. Now time to give this tired artwork a sip of Red Bull. I added energy in it by using a lot of color lookup tables and also a color balance adjustment layer. Finally, we are at the favorite step of every photoshopper, camera raw filter. I played with the sliders by taking them left to right or right to left, and here are the results. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and also let me know in the comment section. And if you want to see such type of videos in near future, you can subscribe to my channel. So keep creating and I will see you in the next week.